Hello, and welcome to day 5, March 5th. It is our last day in this week, and we are now finished with this module. So next week, we will start our third and last module in Unit 1. But for now, it's day 5, Friday, March 5th. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video. Then you'll click Async. You have 2 activities to do in Async today. First activity is a spark. You'll read this article, Living Around the World, and remember to try to get 75% on the first time you take the quiz. Okay? And that's your first assignment. Your second, we have been doing a lot with SMART goals this week. So what you will do is you will describe one short goal you have for this semester. And instead of typing it, you will do an audio. Okay, so you guys know how to do audio now. You come into the comment section, you click the microphone, you choose audio, or you can do audio and video. It's up to you. Describe one short-term goal you have and how it's SMART. Okay, how that goal is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. All right, so be sure to write before you record. Okay, write on paper and then you'll record. And that's it for async. It is a Friday, so I will have office hours from 10 to 11 a.m. Please take advantage of this time. I will be available to answer any questions. If you have questions about homework, about grammar points, about any lessons, Spark, you want to review something, you want to practice speaking, anything you need, I am available from 10 to 11. Please take advantage of this time to get assistance. And that's it. Good luck.